Hey everyone, it's Mark here, and I'm excited to welcome you back for another TV review. Today we're taking a closer look at the TCL 65-inch Q5-Series 4K TV. This TV is packed with impressive features and specs, especially for its price. You can get a 65-inch 4K TV for under $800. But is it the right choice for you? In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about the TCL 65-inch Q5-Series. We'll explore its picture quality, features and performance, so you can see if it's a great fit for your home. I'll share the pros and cons, making sure you have all the info you need before making your decision. So if you're ready for a friendly, in-depth look at the TCL 65-inch Q5-Series 4K TV, just sit back, relax, and let's jump in together. And if you enjoy these reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll always be in the loop for future tech videos. Let's start by exploring what makes watching TV at home so enjoyable. The right television can really enhance your downtime, making those moments of relaxation even more special. With the TCL Q5-Series, you're in for a treat. It's designed to make every viewing experience feel just a bit more magical. The TCL 65-inch Q5-Series features a beautiful 4K Ultra HD resolution, which is 4 times sharper than a regular 1080p TV. This means you'll notice so much more detail in every scene, helping your favorite shows and movies come to life right in your living room. You'll enjoy crisp edges, clear details, and a wonderfully immersive picture. Whether you're admiring the fine textures in a nature documentary or the vibrant energy of a cityscape, the 4K resolution helps you catch every little detail. But there's even more to love, thanks to HDR Pro Plus technology. High Dynamic Range, or HDR, brings out the best in your TV by enhancing contrast and color, so bright scenes shine and dark scenes have extra depth. With support for HDR10 content, you'll see a wider range of colors and contrast, making images look more vibrant and true to life. Imagine watching a sunset where the sky gently shifts from deep oranges to purples, all displayed with beautiful accuracy. No matter if you're watching movies, playing games, or streaming your favorite series, the Q5-Series delivers gorgeous visuals that really draw you in. Gamers, in particular, will love the extra detail and color accuracy, making every moment on screen even more exciting. And when it comes to color, the Q5-Series truly shines. Its advanced color technology ensures every shade is vibrant and natural, so everything from animated adventures to dramatic films looks fantastic. The color reproduction is really impressive, with lively hues and natural-looking skin tones. Whether you're watching a nature show or a heartfelt family drama, the colors look just right. You won't have to worry about colors looking too intense or faded. Everything appears balanced and pleasing to the eye. The careful calibration means every scene looks just as it should. From deep, rich blacks to bright, sparkling whites, the Q5-Series offers wonderful contrast, helping you notice details you might have missed before. This contrast really makes every scene stand out, adding a sense of depth and realism. This enhanced contrast brings extra dimension to everything you watch, making movies and games feel more lifelike and engaging. The Q5-Series is here to make your viewing time more enjoyable and welcoming than ever. Let's take a moment to explore the wonderful display technology inside the Q5-Series QLED. Unlike regular LED TVs that rely on a backlight, QLED TVs like this one use quantum dots to bring out brighter, more accurate colors. These tiny quantum dots are pretty amazing. They emit light in specific colors, giving you a wider range of colors and more natural-looking images. So, what does that mean for you? It means you'll get to enjoy colors that are vibrant, lifelike, and really pop off the screen. And there's more. QLED TVs are also known for their fantastic brightness, making them a great fit for rooms with lots of light. Even if your space is filled with sunlight, the Q5-Series keeps the picture looking clear and beautiful, with hardly any glare or reflections. Plus, QLED technology gives you precise backlight control, so you'll notice deeper blacks and better contrast, making your viewing experience even more enjoyable. This means dark scenes look truly rich, while bright scenes stay vivid and detailed, so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy every moment. Now let's take a closer look at the smart features that make the TCL 65-inch Q5-Series such a delightful addition to your home. The TCL 65-inch Q5 series comes with Amazon's Fire TV platform built right in, giving you a smooth and enjoyable smart TV experience from the moment you set it up. You'll have access to a huge variety of streaming apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, and so many more. Whether you're planning a cozy movie night, catching up on your favorite series, or exploring new documentaries, there's always something exciting to watch. Navigating the Fire TV interface is simple and user-friendly, thanks to the included voice remote. Its intuitive design means everyone in the family can find what they want to watch with ease. Just press the microphone button and ask Alexa to help you find shows, control playback, or discover new content. Alexa's voice recognition is impressively accurate, making her a helpful companion for all your entertainment needs. You can even use your voice to adjust TV settings, like changing the volume, switching inputs, or fine-tuning the picture quality, so everything looks and sounds just the way you like it. It's almost like having a friendly assistant right in your living room, making your viewing experience more comfortable and enjoyable for everyone. The Fire TV platform also lets you personalize your home screen with your favorite apps and channels. You can arrange everything just the way you like, so your top picks are always easy to find. This level of customization means your TV truly feels like it's made just for you and your family. You can even connect your other smart home devices, letting you control your lights, thermostat, and more, all from the comfort of your couch. Imagine dimming the lights or adjusting the temperature without ever getting up. This smart integration helps make your home more connected and welcoming, adding a touch of convenience to your everyday life. All these features are designed to make your entertainment experience as easy and enjoyable as possible, so you can focus on relaxing and having fun. And if you love gaming, you'll be happy to know the Q5 series offers low input lag and a dedicated game mode, so your games feel smooth and responsive every time you play. Whether you're into fast-paced action or exploring open-world adventures, this TV keeps up with your every move, making gaming even more enjoyable. The dedicated game mode helps reduce input lag, giving you a more responsive and immersive gaming experience, perfect for anyone who wants to get the most out of their games. Whether you're a casual gamer or a dedicated enthusiast, the Q5 series is ready to deliver hours of smooth, engaging gameplay. With its friendly smart features, easy customization, and impressive gaming capabilities, the TCL 65-inch Q5 series is a wonderful choice for any home, ready to bring joy and entertainment to everyone. Let's take a friendly look at the pros and cons of the TCL 65-inch Q5 series TV. Starting with the positives, the TCL 65-inch Q5 series really shines when it comes to value. It brings together affordability and impressive features, making it a great option for many households. You get a spacious 65-inch 4K QLED TV with HDR support and an easy-to-use smart TV platform, all at a wallet-friendly price. The 4K resolution delivers crisp, detailed images, and the QLED technology brings out beautiful colors and brightness. The picture quality is a real treat with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and strong contrast. Whether you're watching movies, catching a big game, or playing video games, the experience is enjoyable. HDR support adds even more depth and color to your viewing. The Fire TV platform is another highlight, making streaming a breeze. With access to a huge library of apps and content, you can easily find your favorite shows and movies on services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and Hulu. It's a fantastic entertainment hub for the whole family. Of course, like any TV, there are a few things to keep in mind. One thing to note about the Q5 series is its viewing angles. If you have a big group watching from all around the room, those sitting off to the sides might notice a slight drop in picture quality. The picture looks fantastic when you're sitting right in front, but from the sides, colors and contrast can appear a bit softer. If your living room has wide seating, it's something to consider. But for most setups, it's not a big issue. When it comes to sound, the built-in speakers do a good job for everyday viewing. They're clear and get the job done, though those who love rich cinematic audio might want a little more. While the built-in speakers are perfectly fine for most uses, they don't quite match the depth and clarity of a dedicated sound system. If you're a movie buff or music lover, you might appreciate an upgrade. For those looking to take their audio experience to the next level, adding a soundbar or surround sound system can make a big difference. These options can bring out clearer dialogue, deeper bass, and a more immersive soundstage, making your TV nights even more enjoyable. Thanks for joining us as we explored the TCL 65-inch Q5-Series 4K TV. This TV brings together fantastic features and great performance, all at a price that's truly inviting. If you're looking for a big, high-quality 4K TV that won't stretch your budget, the Q5-Series is a wonderful option to check out. Just a reminder, this is the TCL 65-inch Q5-Series, and you can find it now for under $800, making it one of the most affordable 65-inch QLED TVs out there. Feel free to check out the links in the description below for the latest pricing and availability. Happy TV hunting! So, what do we think? The TCL 65-inch Q5-Series is a fantastic 4K TV that really gives you a lot for your money. With its beautiful 4K resolution, HDR support, and QLED technology, you get truly impressive picture quality, and the Fire TV platform makes streaming your favorite shows and movies super easy and enjoyable. If you're looking for a great TV that fits your budget but still has awesome features and performance, the TCL 65-inch Q5-Series is definitely worth considering. If you want to learn more, including the latest prices and where you can pick one up, just check out the links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more friendly tech reviews and comparisons. And I'd love to hear your thoughts on the TCL 65-inch Q5 series in the comments below. See you next time.